Multiply 3.37 by 100 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 0. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The first partial product is 0. Now use the tens digit, 0. Start one place to the left. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The second partial product is 0. Now use the hundreds digit, 1. Start two places to the left. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 3 is 3. The third partial product is 33,700. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. The ones and tens columns each add to 0. Move right to left, 1 column at a time. In the hundreds column, 0 plus 7 is 7. In the thousands column, 0 plus 3 is 3. In the 10 negative thousands column, bring down 3. The whole negative number product is 33,700. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 2 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 2 decimal places. Place the decimal point 2 places from the right. 33,700 becomes 337.00. That is simply 337. So 3.37 times 100 is 337.